Owen, guess where we are right now? Owen, guess where we are right now?
Not Flagstaff.
Yeah, we are not in Flagstaff right now.
So not in Flagstaff.
We are in Phoenix, near our house. And it only took us like... So guys, there was this huge snowstorm that happened like yesterday and today, and look what happened. And now we are just hanging out, playing in the snow. And I swear, this is not in Flagstaff right now. This is Peoria. Yeah, this isn't in Flagstaff. This is in somewhere near Peoria. It only took us about 30 to 40 minutes to get here. And guys, I am not lying. We are not in Flagstaff. We are in Peoria. Leland, isn't this crazy? It doesn't snow here that much often.
You don't want to know so much.
Owen and my dad are having an epic snowball fight right now. Ow! Why did you hit me?
Oh, it is on.
Wait, can we eat some of it?
No!
Daddy, can we eat it?
Ow!
Daddy, can we eat it?
Yeah, just don't eat the yellow snow.
It's basically ice.
Oh!
Got mixed. With the snowball.
Nope.
Yes. Missed.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I was trying.
Don't hit me in the face.
All
All right.
Don't.
Can we hit Leland long distance? Can we do it? Oh, that was really close. All right, Maddie, what you got?
A snowman.
Yep. You got an arm?
Yeah, I'm trying to put it in. You don't have a nose though.
Oh, you need a nose.
Yeah, and we need eyes.
Oh, it is on.
Eat it.
Don't hit me in the face. Oh, gosh. Oh.